Welcome to 4026 St. Germain Lane. This Mediterranean modern masterpiece was built by Kingswood Custom Homes. If you are looking for a home that shows like a piece of art, then you found your house. I cannot wait to show you the inside. As you can see, there was no attention to detail missed in this home. The sleek, modern look and the craftsmanship is far beyond any home in the Charlotte area. Nice archways, beautiful woodwork, a beautiful tile stone floor with a wood inlay. This home is absolutely magnificent. As you will see, this home offers an open floor plan that makes it perfect for entertaining a lot of guests. This home is 5 bedrooms, 6.5 bathrooms, and it has 6,643 square feet. It sits on a 0.40 acre lot. And as you will see in the back, you have an entertainer's paradise. Here we are in this gourmet kitchen that is a chef's dream come true. As you will see with all the Wolf appliances, dual dishwashers, there was not a detail that was missed in here. Look how beautiful all of the quartzite stone is and the custom cabinetry. Here we are in the entertainer's paradise, dream backyard. This pool with the infinity edge and the hot tub is absolutely stunning. The oversized cabana with the fireplace, 2 TVs, and gourmet appliances. Thank you for joining me today at this beautiful Mediterranean home. As I mentioned, this home is located in the heart of South Park, minutes to everything that South Park has to offer. There are so many custom details with this home, and I would love to discuss them with you more. Please contact me to book your private showing.